Ta 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 ta. Hello, I'm Pablo Motos. We are in the Hormiguero. Today we are with a special guest, Sweet, Lucy, and Mary.
Hello!
Okay, do they like to play hide and seek?
Yes!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes later.
Where is Sweet? No, it's here. What is she doing? She is sleeping. Unicorn with my best friends Mary and Lucy. Sweet! Oh! Oh, I love you.
I'm hungry. Me too.
Me too.
The end.